Okay, so we're talking about graphing a equals. To go ahead and enter your function, we hit X, the button next to the green alpha key, and then to cube something, Taylor's absolutely right. You can hit math, but I'm actually going to steer you away from doing that. Because what happens when I want it, I'll just show you, don't hit this, but if you hit math, she's right that there is a cubed button on there. If you look at number 3, that's the cube choice. But what happens if you want to do to the 4th, or to the 5th, or to the 6th? Those options aren't there. But, Shay, what can I do? Yes, that's it. If I want to raise something to an exponent, I can always hit right above the divide key. See, there's this, it's called the caret key. So you're going to go ahead and hit that. And then on the yellow calculators, it actually moves it up as an exponent. On the black ones, it'll just show you a caret. And then I want to cube it, so I put in a 3.
So it just makes a caret and then a regular.
Right, right. So I'll actually show you on a black calculator what they look like. X. So on the black one, it looks like that. So that's how we do exponents that aren't just squared. Okay, you can do it with squared too, but there's a button for that right there, so that's easy. So you can raise anything to any power that way. Okay, so now we have x cubed, and we were doing number 33, so now I just need to finish this out. Minus 4x squared plus 6. We can go ahead and hit graph, but remember it's going to be set to whatever window it was already set at. Ooh, that's looking a little crazy. It was plus 6. It's 33 right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit zoom 6 to reset my window back to positive 10 to negative 10. Oh, that's much better. So now I can see where, what? Yeah, you got to hit zoom 6. Oh. And you have x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6?
Yeah, it looks like this along the line. It doesn't look like that.
Go hit y equals again. You have x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6.
Oh, it's squared, not
Yep. Better? Okay, so now if I want to find that relative max and min that we mentioned before, so this would be a relative max, right, because it's the highest in its little area, and there's a relative min in its area. You guys already know how to do it. I still just hit second calc, and if I want to find that first max, I'm going to choose choice 4. And then I just go a little bit to the left of it, a little bit to the right of it, hit enter. That gets me that first relative maximum point. And remember, we talked about this. If you see something like this on your screen where there's an E, what's this really?
0.
It's just 0. Okay, so just be mindful. If you see something weird, there's an E, it's just 0. So that first point is at 0, 6. And then if I want to find this one, that one's a minimum. So second calc, choose choice 3. And I just move my blinky guy over there, go to the left of it, go to the right of it, and go ahead and hit enter. So that's pretty much it, okay? So why don't we try, let's try 34.
Wait, what are we solving for?
You're not solving anything, you're just finding those highest and lowest points, the coordinates of the relative maximum. So 34, let's try that. If you think you know what to do, go for it. No.
Yeah.
Let's clear that out. So you want negative x and then caret to the third. And then you have the, see how it's still up there as an exponent? You hit the right arrow to come back down out of it.
Okay.
Now plus 3x squared. Hopefully you get a graph that looks similar to mine, and then once you have the graph, you can find those 2 points. Just make sure you're using max when you're supposed to be using max, and min when it's supposed to be min. Otherwise your answer is going to be off.
Why is it f of x instead of a y?
You're what?
Why is it f of x?
Oh, it's the same thing. They're interchangeable, so. So did everybody find the 2? So the first one is a min. Hopefully you found it to be at 0, comma negative 3. Did you? Okay. And then the next one is a max. Choice 4. Enter. 2, 1? Yeah? All right, pretty good.